Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And this has been a video you guys have been waiting for. I never thought this day would ever come, that you guys are constantly commenting about Civic videos. But I guess the day has come, and I know my boy Yusuf is happy as hell.
Civic is life.
He's starting a new trend up in here. So I mean, as you guys can see, he's fully loaded. You got pretty much the radiator, condenser, fan shroud, the crash bar. We're ready to go. Let's go ahead and throw this whole front end together. He should be able by the end of the day to actually get this car started and actually get it to move on its own power for the first time. So that's the goal for today. I'm recording this video in 1080p for you guys. So I mean, that's the step one of progress. But yeah, he's getting super excited about that. I want to take him out for a spin in my brother's car. He hasn't seen the intake yet, so I really want him to see it. It's gonna be really awesome. These headlights during the day, guys, let me just unlock it. Whenever you unlock the door, it's like those welcoming lights. Wow. I'm in love with those. Yeah, if you guys want those, I don't know if they're still for sale, but you guys should check it out. I'll still link it in the description if you guys want to check them out. They are beautiful. Definitely a must buy. If you have adaptive headlights, you will have to get those stuff coated out. But damn, you see that sound you're making. Anyway, we're just gonna take him out for a test drive and then start working on the Honda. Gonna go ahead and pop the bonnet. That's what we say here in America. JK, JK. Also, by the way, guys, this alignment is not done yet. We're still waiting on a couple rubber things to come in this logo, and this alignment should be better. So you guys can talk to you about that kind of stuff when the time comes. So let's go ahead and pop the bonnet and show you the sound this beast makes. Damn! Yes, the first see the visual inspection.
It's like my Civic.
Like your Civic Basic. It's not even close. Chill.
It's kind of close to my Civic, man. I have the same intake, MST performance. One of the best intakes. I love it.
Mashallah, mashallah.
Sounds like a dark boy.
Yeah, so you drive it, Haji.
Nah, man, I'm good. I only drive Civics.
Oh yeah, you're right. Damn, he shut that hood hella strong, dude. Chill. Okay, I want to take him out for a spin real quick, and then we're gonna start working on the Civic.
That's not making it hard.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm gonna let you. Actually, I don't know. We need to get a GoPro, guys. I need to invest in one of those. Okay, here you go, Habibi. Mashallah. Mashallah, mashallah. Guys, how you don't hold the button.
Hold it by the lens.
Okay, you ready, Habib?
Close the garage. I don't want people to steal my stuff, man.
I mean, they're not gonna steal your stuff.
But my Honda parts, man, I spend a lot of money on them.
Yeah, I know, man. But I mean, there's a lot of BMW parts. You know what I mean?
Let me put my seatbelt.
This car is so smooth. It's really making me consider getting a newer chassis, if you know what I mean. All right, let's go. It's lightweight. I don't know what. Dude, this car has so many gears. It's ridiculous. Why are you recording me? It's your reaction.
It's my reaction? Never mind.
It's your reaction. This thing really has like no...
It sounds amazing, bro. Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, it's not as... Actually, I thought it would be louder. It's actually not as loud as...
No, you can actually hear it.
Yeah, it was just kind of crazy.
So it's good.
It's just an intake.
Some intakes, you can't actually hear them when driving them.
All right, so there's going to be a lot of stuff going down. So there's going to be pretty much a time lapse. Got a lot of boxes over here. Even my mom's stuff over there. So to set you guys up, let's just get to it. I want to get the whole front end together by, at least dinner time. And then we'll catch Ibrahim's reaction hopefully as well. Actually, probably even call Muhammad because they haven't seen it yet. We're also testing out the fan because we don't know if the fan works. But we're gonna do a lot of stuff. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got my fancy dancy glasses on right now. So me and my cousin, I was about to say brother, me and my cousin finished up the whole front end. It's all complete, good to go. Now we're about to remove the battery, take it down to AutoZone, get it charged up, and then bring it back and probably We'll see about throwing on the bumper, because we'll probably just deal with the bumper for now and say he wants to buy a new one, because there's nothing really wrong with it other than the bottom grill. So we might just roll with the front bumper for now, and then pretty much the car will be complete. And then hopefully we get the new battery in. He can at least take it on the block. We'll see. But we have to first put in some coolant and make sure we do the bleeding process correctly. So we'll do all that after we take a little bit of a break and take the battery down to AutoZone. Alright guys, we just got the battery in the trunk. We're gonna go head down to AutoZone, drop it off, and hopefully they can actually recharge it, or at least tell us if the battery's dead or not. So we'll find out right now. And it's raining. Would you look at that?
Oh, sorry. The ad, man. I was watching a video. It's a good video, guys. Guys, go watch it.
Hey!
It has only 1K views.
Back to another video today.
No, I was kidding. Okay.
Anyways, guys, so we just dropped off the battery. We got some coolant. We're gonna head over, get something to eat, and we'll check back with you guys when we get back. Hopefully the battery, they're saying it's messed up, but we'll try to reuse it because it's a 2016 battery. I mean, come on, how bad could it be?
All right, guys, me and Yusuf just got back home. We didn't get the new battery. We took back the old battery, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they said it's dead, but who gives a shit? We'll figure it out. If we can't get the battery to work, then we'll buy a new one. But we're not gonna take their word for it. So we're gonna try it for ourselves, and then we're gonna start doing the cooling system, and then hopefully we can at least get this car started for you guys, get it outside, because then we can get the beast in here. You know what I mean?
Beast my booty.
He wants a Civic to be in here. It's got shade and everything.
Civic will stay here, bro.
لا حبيبي please gas.
Stay here, bro.
Okay, well we'll see. I mean, if it starts up, it goes outside. So we'll see.
I'll make sure it's on.
Alright guys, time to start her up. First startup in a very long time since we got this car. Alright, we got some power. Alright, cool. Alright, so the car starts up. They charge the battery just enough for us. We're gonna let it idle, wait for all the coolant to keep going, like, you know, goes through and everything. Luckily, as BMW people, we have an automatic bleeding process, but we have to do a manual bleeding process on this car. Might as well listen to some music, right? Alright, Brian, it's the only place you can't stand. Happy. Alright guys, so we just went ahead, threw in the whole front end back together. The bumper is the original bumper. It has a small crack on the bottom there. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're gonna order. My cousin did order a new one, but in the meantime, he just wants to get the car out of the garage. So at least put a front bumper so it's kind of presentable for the neighbors. It's very easy to take on and off. So right now we just put it all together for him. But yeah, we're just waiting for the fan to kick in. Apparently these cars takes about 45 minutes, so we'll let you guys know when the fan kicks in, hopefully. Well, right now we're gonna go out for a test drive and just hoping for the stupid fan to kick in. It's not kicking in. We're freaking out because you have to remove all the condenser in the radiator again to remove the fan. So we're gonna take it out for a spin and hopefully get the engine warmed up enough to get the fan to kick in. If it doesn't kick in and the temperatures are above 50, we're gonna stop the car and we're gonna have to figure it out. It's raining out here, what the hell? Look at this fitment, dude.
Okay, بس
Okay, why is it raining? First spin in the Yusuf mobile. Let's do this. That's good. We're only gonna go around the block.
Just pay attention to the temperature. That's all that matters in this right now.
المشكلة ليس you can't hear anything.
How's she driving though?
It's good. Still an hour?
Somebody needs to give this dude a ticket, 26 and a 25. Oh my lord. Yo, I heard the fan.
No, I know.
It's going.
It's going?
It's going.
You see it?
Yeah, it's going. It's going.
It's going.
Really?
Awesome.
Oh yeah, well, we're good. Shit,
finally.
Oh my lord.
That's
Guys.
almost 1 hour. 1 hour.
It took 1 hour for this stupid fan to kick in. As soon as we heard it, I just rushed to the camera. I lost hope, guys. I ain't gonna lie. I lost hope. Damn, it's awesome. Shit, the reason I'm over here, guys, is it's raining. But you know what? I'll take the camera out for the fan. يلا حبيبي يوسف شلونك حبيبي؟
I'm really good.
Hell yeah, dude, that's what I'm talking about. Damn, hell yeah. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is actually day 2. Yusuf's here. We're actually gonna be trying to see if his car will start up for the 2nd day in a row because AutoZone told us the battery's shit.
Should we put coolant first before we start?
Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of coolant since it just needs a little bit more. And then I'm gonna put some antifreeze today. What just popped open? That's good news. So that's good news. That's power. Okay. All right, well, don't kill the battery just yet. We're gonna go ahead and throw some coolant in real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and start up the car for yet. All right, guys, we just went ahead and put some coolant in, and now she's ready to get started. So we're gonna start her up, and hopefully, no issues, no nothing. Hopefully it starts up no problem. When Yusuf came here, the battery did actually have some power, so I actually do have a battery tester, Yusuf. I have a battery tester. We can check the voltage.
You have it?
Yeah. Hold up, I'm about to bring it back.
If it turns on, it's fine.
I don't know about that, but. Damn, the gas cap though.
This is so bad. Look at this.
Yeah, it's some flaws up in here.
Lock it. It's locked, right? Unlock.
MashaAllah. Civic life.
It's an accident, man. It was an accident.
I have to find an excuse. Why do you guys love this car so much? I need to understand.
Fuel efficient. It's beautiful. Has aerodynamics.
Aerodynamics, not lazy. You know aerodynamics. He does get better fuel economy, so I have to give him that. But it's just a nice car. It's a nice car. I can't bash on it. I started up with no problems. What the hell?
Told you they're scamming us. Never trust AutoZone. You guys understand?
They literally told us the battery is screwed. It shouldn't start the next day, and then it started up with no problem, no delay. So, I mean, the only time can tell. But so far, so good. We'll have to see. Alright guys, radiator check, condenser check, fan check, coolant check,
Supercharger check.
Supercharger check, bumper check, and now just the AC condenser, and then this car is pretty much complete for a little bit. He's gonna order in like the airbag and you know, fix the roof little pillar thing, which is no big deal. And just, you know, other cosmetic things down the road. We're waiting on the pink slip to come in first, and once he gets the pink slip, he'll take care of all that stuff later. But he just wants to make sure he has the money to pay for the tax, registration, all that stuff first, because that's what's important, not really the cosmetics, because you can live with that for a little bit. I'm gonna click on the video right here. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button. That pretty much kind of wraps it up. I mean, we'll show you guys when he actually gets the bumper and the airbag and maybe the wheel caps for $22 at AutoZone. We'll see how that stuff works, and then we'll show you guys, you know, the finished car down the road. That pretty much wraps up this car. I'm waiting on the pink slip to come in on my 330i. And we'll see where the channel's gonna take us from there. But yeah, without further ado, love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
She got me saying, yalla, baby, I need you to see me. Quick with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. She got me saying, yalla, baby, I need you to see me. Quick with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy, you know.